Buenos dias, amigos, amigas, from the Malecon here in Jocotepec again. And this is where one of the places I was at yesterday. And I uploaded a video of the park right here behind me. Now, this is a must-see. This Malecon is a very big Malecon. This is a must-see. So if you're a tourist, visiting family and friends, or coming down here thinking of retiring and here in this part of Mexico, come down to this Malecon and all the other Malecons, whatever one you want to come to. I've been on them all, but this one is a big one. Now, other side of the lake, I want to tell you real quick before I move along, that's Mazamitla. I've been through and shot videos in a lot of those towns there, and Mazamitla is right there. That's up Pueblo Magico. You might want to visit there. It's a little higher up, that town. Yeah, it's a nice place. So now I'll tell you a little bit about the boats in a minute, but there's boat rides, very inexpensive. Okay, yesterday I was out here as a lady reading a book right there on that bench, if you've seen that video. And we're gonna move along here. And it's pretty cool. It doesn't seem as windy as yesterday. I've been coming out here for a few years, even before shooting YouTube videos. Now, I came here before on an e-bike, and there's a bike rack. And I want to cover this because this is some good information for everyone to know. You can always put this on pause. It'll be in English and Spanish. Spanish and English. So, gentleman here relaxing with his dog. People walking here. Buenos dias. People walking their dog here, visiting this Malecon. I will go near that pier, but here's a couple of piers that they're relaxing and enjoying the view. So I won't get too close there. You can see the rows of vendors booths here. You can stop, get something to drink, get something to eat. One of the vendors is open up early. I can see that vendor's booth right there. So later on in the day, there will be people, more people, and on Sundays, Saturdays and Sundays, but primarily Sundays, there'll be a lot more people, but people come out here through the week. You can take boat rides. There's a price for adults and children. Very inexpensive. Now, I'm going to go up this pier a little bit. There's a couple up there, so I don't really want to go all the way today. Looks like there's 3 people. Maybe I'll go up here and show you this pier here. And some people think, oh, he goes out there to shoot videos. Yes, I do, but I come out here many times when I'm moving around to these different towns. I'm coming not to shoot YouTube videos all the time. I come out here to enjoy these Malecons and wherever I'm doing. And so I'm shooting down in these places even when I'm not shooting YouTube videos. Now, I like to come out here sometimes and sit on the rocks. There's another section I like to go into. It's that There's a few people here. Look at the waves coming in. Beautiful. You can see the montañas, the mountains across the way. Once again, that's Mazamela, and that's up Pueblo Magico. There's a pier there, straight ahead, the center of the frame. That's the end of the pier. There's someone out there. There's a couple of people out there, actually. People are out here enjoying themselves, taking videos and photos. What is this? These waves. Get an idea what the shoreline looks like. Edge of the shore. And I'll tell you that you saw that sign over there for the pontoon boats. You can get on a pontoon boat. There's other kinds of boats, I think. Some friends of mine, Dan and Sylvia, saw these videos that they're putting up, and a year ago, almost a year ago, they came out here and they rented a boat. They went on a boat ride. So that'll be my next step at some point. Absolutely beautiful here. See birds. Very relaxing. Now, if you go this way, you'll be over in out of Jocotepec. You'll be in El Chante, Jocotepec, and then you'll go over to San Juan, Cosala, West Ajijic. You'll be over in Ajijic, San Antonio, Riberas del Pilar, and Chapala. Now, I've shot videos in all those towns, and it's beautiful, beautiful. Now, I come out here to eat too, and up this way, straight ahead, up there. Well, actually, around there. I went up the Mirador and ate at a restaurant, put out a video. So look at that. That's from a couple of days ago. Okay, let's move along here. This is a handheld video, and I'll try to walk pretty quickly. Still cover this. There's a boat there, and what a piece of art. And really quick walk here off this pier. And I'm going to do this in a couple parts because I don't want the video to be too long. Once again, here's the price for the boats, the pontoons. Beautiful out here. Here's the park. I did a video inside the park and uploaded it this morning. You might not get this video right away, but I'll try to fit it in the schedule. Here comes a gentleman on a bike. Now, I have taken my e-bike here before, a little more than a year ago when I had an e-bike. I rented an e-bike for 6 weeks. Absolutely loved it. And thinking about doing it again because it's a good way to get around the lakeside area. Okay. This is a piece of art. It's interesting. I suppose there's some type of events that are held here. Shot of that. Top of that pillar. Moving along. Okay, this is getting to be 10 minutes. And I'll do a part 2, but before I get to part 2, I want to show you people coming out here in the mornings and walking their dogs. Really nice place. Come out here and get some exercise, which I'm doing right now. Okay, this will be the end of part 1, and I'll do part 2. And I like to come out here and sit on the rocks, different places. When I'm not shooting YouTube videos, we come out here and sit on the rocks, enjoy the views. And I hope you're not catching the wind. If you hear wind in the video, it's coming into the microphone, this iPhone camera. And you won't be hearing that when you come out here. So I hope the wind isn't muffling in the background, but you won't catch that noise when you're out here. So thanks for viewing. Tap on the notification bell. You'll be notified of upcoming videos, and I'll be putting out another video once again about these Malecons. I've been coming out here for a few years now and started shooting YouTube videos in this area about 2 years ago. So with that, tap on the notification bell. You'll be notified of upcoming videos. Thanks for viewing. Adios amigos.